Previous year question mama. Ibalabano. What paper tell? If 90% of A is equal to 30% of B, the question is so. PC हम tell 90% of A. 90% of A is equal to 30% of B, and B is equal to 2x percent of A. But X hold and B is. A ले B hold होता रही जो A ले B hold होते वाले ती hold हम equal to here ले अनु ले का थी कते जो ना तो कते खला 3 3 जा 90 33 90 जो तले A चला ये B को हम सोला चलांगा हम दें is equal to अचोना 1 by 3 का चीज सोला 3 A ले B को 1:3 तो तेरा चलांगा है निपी से हम क्वेश्चन चुन B को तेरा B is equal to 20% of A. B is equal to 2x% of A. Adinat. So tele chapa na hai pi ke order them chahela 1 into B ko B, sorry, B is equal to 3 times of A. It's na B is equal to 3 times of A. B ko ni pi basam 3 times of A was say adinat. So la chalang hai B ni pi basam 3 times of A basam is equal to 2x% of A. X order theta plus. So tia hele it is so far it is so the home 2 5 10 2 0 0 and A hi chalanga sola hele 3A by A is equal to x by 50 L A ke kale 3 into 50 chalanga and solve wale x solve the ye wacha is equal to x. Therefore x is equal to 3 5 5 15 150. Search 150. So 150 mom D. Question number 1. Question number 8. Well, let's say 30% of A is added to 40% of B. 30% of A is added to 40% of B. The answer is 80% of B. This question is 30% of A to 40% of B. I cap 40% of B to I can got my answer is 80% of B. What percentage of A is B? Adding out to B percent is adding up. What percent of A? That's right. Adding A to B percent is adding up. That's what I hele. It's in T percentage in hold and pinage. Also to B by A called on I tell na. To the B here. It's a penny B here. It's a penny B here. The A here. Let's then you quite form takes not then you can so form. Kaballing I let's take a balling hum. So I am quite done now. 30A by 100 is equal to 80B by 100. J lakana plus A lakana gachila minus 40B by 100. If it's not the B le B here to quite form. B here to B here to quite form A to be ago. So tele 0 to 0 ka hele episode of J 3A by 10 is equal to 100 le 100 ye no ya ke ba hele kala home ding achunga 10 e 80B minus 40B ka zede anu ya ke ba le acha tro le LCM kala ne LCM ke la mama hai change cho tele 0 to 0 ka khom thei ai lawa jong le ko poi cho tele 3 times of a is equal to 80 minus 40 b khoi pham b le b ya jo ka khom akala minus the 40 b sota b le b jo 40 b sota cho tele second 40 b by 10 sorry 40 b by 10 है 10 to 0 to 0 ka hele answer ko a hi changa ko yang ka ting b ko en ko su lang is equal to out chung na ngam ko 4 2 in chlang kana chela denominator agon fraction hi equal to lang khana chia hi la fraction a hi equal to lang khana hi equal to lang khana chunga mai le lang khana ang ki ko phala noi danga ko chila chi bang ai le hi chi pa hi achung na nga on hi la a ka chu ti chila ai fraction ka ka ya so la hi a chu ti le a cho 4 hi b cho 3 hi la question answer do se pham b to b cho 3 hi a to the 4 yeah, it's a percentage in say what percent of a what percent of a is b to tell a to b to l our person is anything how 3 by 4 3 by 4 l 4 to the 8 4 5 are 20 25 into 3 by 3 is ham 75 percentage answer to 75 percentage to tell question number 9 90% of a 90% of a exam ka coding alati ka coding ham chi basic ka coding a hela chun to khod ba wa chi coding 90% chi basic I khod nge dan ne ko ta 90% of a is equal to 30% of b atya hela noi langa 0 ka ta 3 3 is 9 re p mo am ta he 3a is equal to b chi bo se mo ta and b is equal to x percent of a b is equal to x percent of a at the have b here la p0 tam x percent x percent of a b hui piam x percent of a equation and say that b is equal to x percent of a kazia la chalanga pidang 3a l a equal to khalanga khomale ka ding therefore 3 into 100 is around 300 chi chalanga kan la tawa hila is equal to p mom x x value to pe ham 300 to here to the lower hill 90% of a is equal to 30% of b ka khoding alati ka khoding ham percentage to percentage ka kading 0 to 0 ka kading 3 3 is 9 and such a piece of 3a is equal to b tibang chu ka khona ila b chu b ham x percent of a tira chan b chu x percent of a x whole and t wa cha 3a equal to a chung nang chi cham la ka thei equal to left right now mala therefore x is equal to 100 into 3 goes on 300 next question number 10 first and second number are less than third number but that's a first second number third number get let's say can control most happen as a first number second number third number a question in pcm to the first number and second number first number and second number are less than third number by 30% that's all teka bang it's he third number to compare as a third number to 100 la jian la 100 la 100 la 30% less a dia la 30% to 100 na la le pam 30% of 100 la 0 0 ka la 30 tho is the bang to 37% is at the 37 to 100 ka la ya to 100 ke la hai Azo tele 30% ale sa ile zana less than 100 la 30 kala dole 70 heading tina 30 rom. Ele 30 rom ala chi pidam 70 1 cho. And the second numbers is at 37% in home at the 100 large 37 kala dole zana 7 8 9 10 3 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 63. First number to 70, second number to 63, third number to 100. Ato tell a question and be same here. Second number is less than the first by this. Second number here, first one here is that not for mom. Is that not for mom? 70 last 63 la dota. 7. 7 alpha malachun 7. Percentage in center 7 in alpha me. Ko to compare hum number 1 to compare ya so 1 mo ya positive. Then first I get then mana umpa hi to compare pa to kon to compare ji pa to kon ya ato dila chun percentage aka khela 100% 7 10 or 70 0 to 0 ka kale answer ipi mam 10% answer 10%. First number second number third number ta comparison pi ai la pen pen chu compare na de pen pa chu pin la da calculation of the 100 la so any number na la the. Question number 11 again. The population of a town is population ko naam time. Population of a town is 15,000. It's a concept ka lo na lo. It's a concept to I can explain here. The number of male and female increases male to 8% increase in female to 10% increase it's a population to pasal is a male female male is that person I increase 8% I can increase female is that person I can increase 10% I can increase also then the population would increase to population is an akal de ham hita pasal 8% akala female 10% akala hele population is an increase 1,000 16,300 akal tas ajo tele 15,000 to is an akal ham 16,300 akal minus bote is an ham like ka 0 0 la 0 kala dola 0 3 la 0 kala dola 0 1,000 sorry 3 la 0 kala dola 3 abana 6 la 5 la dola 1 1600 la 15,000 badota is an akal ham 00 63 16300 la 2 5 000 khatni kala to ile zana kalam population to sala zathum di na hai sala zathum ka chama sanga chu hi zala hi in ton hi zala hi tai ele hi chala iti kalam tiala pasal chu 8% akal numai chu 10% akal ja to jun numai chu hol da kal zo wa chu ki tale ti hol ding ham tiala hol do na bailam pen che pham ta hele pasal chu 8% akal dan ki ba sala numai chi zana kal da ham 10% to take a ham 10% to 10% and 11 no major 8% and kikaw saan lang 8% plus 2% katiti na 10% na denga ala niya 8% akal hen lang hele total 8% kal dozen ke bang na total 8% kal 8% total akal jan ham atyale 8% total in kal sote to hin hichang him kal soten to hi kal sote ani niya 8% akal hele 8% ani niya kal hele ja datang 8% of 15 khat ni thum 0 ni ka kale 8 0 0, 5 8 is 40, 8 1 is 8, 9 10 11 12, 1200 college. 1200 college. Ela to hai college anham 1300. Ani niya 8% cha kala hele jana coding ham 8% increase in total. Ahiya le chun chai male plus female. Ahiya la chun sang la jani bo kaldi. Sang la 15,000 la cho. Ai wanga cho amon is that kala tiam zan hi calculate wala is that kalham atata cho 1300. Ale bidinga 1300 kalham jana. 1300 kalya 8% kalya 1200 kalso. Kala is that vat ham tele zakhat vat. Ibiza zakhat vat ham tia hele hiti 2% ji sim tha raw chana. 2% ja hi it's 800 hela sam. Is it hon 10% hela 8% la yu wa. Atu tele hiti chi ni zat represent nam 2% represent cha. Atu tia hele chini ti khod di utang tia hele. Chilang ako yun. 2% cho kuya 2% हम female आचो ना 2% of female to zat hete tam to ahi 100 acho tela find the female hold and di acho and 2% of female to zat ham 100 ya hele 2 5 10 2 0 0 if female to zat ham 100 into 50 kapola hele zat ham 5,000 such episode tam 5,000 Nhất thêm mong nằm chia long thêm luật nhất thiếu lắm đau cho mầm đau cho mầm
I'm bored.
ok tôi lẽ bây giờ ta bằng trong question khát nhất thiếu là định nghe question khát solve về liệu hơn cho nếu khát không cái gì đón về question là không cái dòng nôm gì họ chú không bia animals cái đó zoo cái đó đó trong cái dòng nôm gì cái bị bỏ là chỉ ta bằng chắc question khát next option blank page khát bỏ the next time question khát ta bằng question khát in solving important cái thing to try to solve them chứ không giờ thì thế nào try đi vậy question trong PC am tela animal ni he all men zoo cho animal ni men khat rabbit hin there are rabbit and pigeon rabbit and pigeon in the zoo cho rabbit and pigeon all men abana cho if the head is here the head are counted there are 280 heads abana cho if the legs are counted there are 820 legs. How many pigeons are there? It is all the time let's say Iti sol du ham tile rabbit ko bata. Question answer chu rabbit o min pigeon o metala. Chilanga hi rabbit iti diu. Chilanga hi pigeon iti diu. Ale heads counted there are 280 heads. Head is at nihan jate nihin. Head khachi chi nihan jana. Ale if the legs are counted there are 820 legs. Legs is at nihan jate nihin. Rabbit in 4 legs ani. Pigeon khon 2 legs ani. How many pigeons are there? Pigeons is at how much? Here you count na total is at ham 280. Next you count na total is at ham 820. Ada heci information lagi pi also. Aja tia hela chun iti volume tam tia hela. Aja ut at bang chun. Ale lukha chi chi ni hona hela chun lu yo si ka sim khama la 280 cho. 280 means mi khan lukha chi chi ni hona la chun agan cha omzat mo ma chu zat dam 280. Mi li cho lu li omega tia la chun lu li chun mi li hop chala na mi hem li chata banga chu total a chu zat ham 280 ko la koi hop ham rabbit to pigeon ala te ka banga rabbit chilanga ko tin pigeon chilanga ko ta ai lo la pigeon chilanga ko ta chi pigeon yan lang chi rabbit hala alo se ka na la chu ya e ba to a kyang en count do ta a kyang en count wala pigeon en leg is at name 2 legs ne na rabbit en is at name 4 legs ne ya 2 plus 2 legs e bija 2 plus 2 ka ti ham kya hele ka ki ba sa goch tite ni ya zo banga chu ka ki ba sa go avala hele ke bang han lang hele ti ne cho azu to le question a he ti bol tam kya hele agan cha zo si rabbit le pigeon if both rabbit and pigeon has 2 legs te ka banga common kala go chu 2 legs ani ni hona ke ni ni ne che na la kisim khon da chana zo banga cho 2 legs ni che na le legs mo mo chu zat da ham total legs will be legs is at the dam gancha somli le 280 gancha la jo kyang ni ni ne ta be total a te te 2 legs ni ala kyang is at the dam pa he 200 2 is 16 2 to the 4 560 legs that's the question in the PCM question in legs is at medium 820 legs on that's le wa kyang ni ne che wala kun 560 legs de le kyang is at wa nam 820 legs la chu kyang ni ne wala 560 ding e wa kyang ni ne lo chu la na rabbit na hi extra nium cho ale rabbit na extra nium ya chu wala cho awal pa hi rabbit na ho ke ti na cho 0 la 0 kala dola 0 12 la 6 kala dola 6 7 la 5 kala dola 2 260 legs wala cho extra 260 legs se pizam ham tele rabbit 2 extra legs ya cho na ya chu rabbit 2 extra leg ya chu rabbit a chu 2 legs is equal to zan ham rabbit a chu 260 ajo tele rabbit a chu 2 legs is equal to 260 ya le rabbit a chu 1 rabbit chu ne pi da ham ta chu rabbit is on how many pigeons are there le rabbit a chu 260 leg chu rabbit in ne a he le rabbit leg ni the total rabbit mo chu za ne da ham 260 by 2 2 1 is 2 230 236 200 that means rabbit is on the total also this is the total rabbit rachun teka banga 280 la chu rabbit kala do ala to hi koi motam 0 4 5 sorry 5 101 150 mo so na chikoya ra tam pigeon so pigeon azat ham pigeon azat mam tila 150 I mean rabbit azat mam tila 130 I mean ago ma buga mala 280 so Ewan cho tabang hi piang ki boram te chi extra pan ang ki ji chu extra ni pen pen as chu extra lek chu zan ham about chang chang chu pigeon ni le pigeon he this was the concept here. Next question number 12. The number 20% more than 80 is 80 sanga 20% more che pi ham ti cha te ka banga 20% che pi ati bam 20% che pi ati bam fraction of 1 by 5 more ati ya che plus it also more than 80 80 to ching ke compare ya cha original che pi ham to new number che pi the number 20% more ya cha 20% more che pi ham 5 plus 1 ho ja ham 6 answer and 6 he hold and ati cha hele question 80 ho pi ham anu ya pai denominator pa hai na it's a pi 5 is equal to that ham 80 like 5 1 unit is at the ham till 80 by 5 5 1 is 5 5 6 are 30 and 1 unit to 16 here 6 units to be the term 6 unit to 16 into 6 times 6 6 are 36 6 1 is 6 1 is 9 96 96 acho ti lawa hi yong le chi alam pia fraction method hin ewang acho simple fraction 33 1 by 3% 16 2 by 3% ho ya la chi to en ki bola gang zo hin acho ti lawa hi le simple percentage as a pam 20% more te la ja khat chunga hi chalo na more te la ja khat chunga hi de less ya la ja khat no ya hi de la number tha chi pi hi tam 120% hold and then 120% of 80 hold and then acho ti le 120% of 80 chu zat ham 0 to 0 ki ka 0 to 0 ki ka le 12 into 8 bom ta 12 into 8 so 2 is 16 it was 8 9 10 sorry 6 is 36 6 is 6 29 correct is that 80% 120 okay 0 0 0 2 is 16 1 11 is 8 plus 1 9 8 was 16 1 in hand it was 8 plus 9 96 simple fraction here le chapa zu even nang 120% chapa na pat yang the chi le ne the na ka ji me me deka banga 33 1 by 3% 17 2 by 16 2 by 3% etc. ho ki pya hele iti bol du ham fraction ta ki pya hele ni che pa method ai bol du simple fraction 20% increase 25% increase ke tya la chun sa pala 120% of something ai lo le 125% of it's a dong pen pe chun na bol answer so question number 13 a seat the number of seat in auditorium is increased by 25%. The price of ticket is also the number of seats in the auditorium is increased by 25%. So seats is an increase on 25%. Price is also increased by 720 increase. Revenue, so lang ay zero che pam masa A into B is equal to C kat yo. Price into seats is equal to revenue. Tilni ki ko ma revenue ki mati yo na. Ala tilni ki multiply ya that product ki mati yo. So price is that on price la ya tin seat masaham. Tutera seat ji masatin chota bang ki pela chi ta na bol seat ji masatin na bana price bana revenue. Seat into price is equal to revenue. And seat old tilakal masang new tilakal zo future kala hile we um zo na kal masang 25% akal masang atu zat ham 25% akal masang atu teka banga 12% ekin fraction akala thilo cha fraction 12% hile kha abu is ma hila chan itikala ta 25% cho lui chu 100 here hila sit chu 25% akal itu lah 125 le yang price abula 100 to za akal tam 12% hele 112%. Ala to revenue is at 100 into 100 is anam khat ni to 125 into 12 is anam actually ne evang answer so lai dengan 125 into 112 sorry 125 leading 112 2 5 or 10 1 and then 2 2 is 4 plus 1 5 2 1 is 2 now 125 1 now 1 2 5 0 5 plus 5 10 1 in hand 5 plus 5 10 1 in hand 2 plus 4 1 1 4 but increase in revenue will be I increase the percentage in say that is akal ham 4,000 akal 4 4,000 akal percentage akal jiding ala 4,000 divided by zan upon akal ham ni percent akal khel dele 100% 0 thum to 0 thum ke kata 0 khato 0 ke kata chunga pi mom 4 into 10 40% pachka ne 40% tahi kasi banga 12% to tabang ki pi ahela chan 100 apana ajo mendang abai du na bai ha 25% 20% 5% 10% 30% ke tala fraction of ma chan chiti lawa 13% 12% ki hawa ki pi ayong de 12% to choi ki pi ale he che pa na man thai atu te lawa 33 1 by 3% to extra ki pi le fraction 25% to lot to tele next question salary of employee increases every year in the month of July si lehen zala kalzi ham 10% akal dit if his salary in if his salary may was okay chahe salary cho may a zat ham salary cho may a cho may 2000 a cho rupees zan ham 15 thum salary in October 2001 cho October 2001 a cho alo holan cho October hele abana 2000 bana cha may a cho June July a he kal da cho lo July 2000 a khabe kal August September October November December e cho July si la kal ya cha 2000 song si sa ka cha 2001 a he October ma sa July khabe hum ki be July ka September October je pai 2001 he de mujo tela ni be kalaman cha na May 2000 apana October 2001 ka he is a be kalamanam tela be kalaman ni be kalamana le ti body ham salary in May a chu za ham May a chu salary in May cha May 2000 a chu alloy za ham rupees 15,000 aju tele July a chu khabe ka ta chu July a chu za ta tamalo July 2000 July se akal la chun 10% ne kala de cha 10% of 10% akala hele 10% ko da ke sanga chu te ka bol ham 110% ka ti ang thai chuna 110 chi 10% na kala ti na to ki bang of 15 at ni thum 0 ni to 0 ni ki ka chai ta abana 0 0 5 5 1 is 5 1 is 5 abana 1 1 is 1 6 6500 chai rupees am 16500 phada chu July la July 2001 July 2001 a chu is a kal ge tamalo khabe kal ge chuna khabe kal ke na hera chan 10% ma ma kala 110 by 100 into hi izan apana kalam 16,500 alo tha pa apana kal ke ta 0 ni to 0 ni ka 165 into 110 165 into 02 multiply let's say so the 0 5 5 6 1 1 2 5 6 1 amana ka plus I le sorry CC is not hin to me 0 5 1 6 plus 1 7 plus 1 8 1 1 8 1 5 0 1 8 1 5 0 July ya hi za kalta adanga kalta lo to tile salary in 2021 October a ja dham July August September October a ja dham October apana chu July apana chu hi za athin ta hi la chan October a chu hi za ma ma de chula na kum kha kha ba kal hi July zo apana kal ji masanga hi za chu October ki June chan chu hi za asan apana July ya hong ka apana chu July apana chu ki July chan chu hi za asan to hi chi July ya hi chi kal ke apana chu ki July chan dia na July 2000 to a 10% kal ke dia to cha kal nai ro chana de 10150 so to hi alo 72 of certain classes to biology and 44% to mathematics chi Venn diagram Venn diagram में थोड़ा solve है He's at attend the bowling classes at the Zawin school is at like a team in Totaman Kipiala Tamwal. So the 72% of class to biology, 72% on biology right. Biology lots of me is at home. Biology lots of 72% in. Abana mathematics lots of 44% in. It's took both lack of the achu circle he intersect. Circle intersecting. Let's say math lots of math lots of percentage are kitiam 44% kitiam. Le lack of 72 to 44 to 72 chun biology la 44 chun maths ala. The total number of students amount is at the that is now to the 72% to 44% in the question in the total number of students in the class. Total number of students in the class. Class as a total number is at the so both took 40 chivata 40 kiti percentage lo picha 40 kiti percentage lo number of students number of student here 40 iti ko loading ham 40 iti ko loading ham tia hele total number of student la chu 100% chu total number of students la na student mo chu 100% chu total number of student mo here hele 72% to biology la 72% biology no la math in za lam 44% la hele aki go ma zan ham 6 7 plus 3 11 116 116 percentage len ta chana 116 percentage so iti len te yam ago ma ko ma hele ago ma ko ma 116 100% total students sanga chu pd denga he te yam ta hele aji chu maths lo zo si la chu biology to maths la kom jong biology lo zo ya chu maths biology la kom 40 mi om ji so ajo tia hele chun 116 so la chu total 100 kala do hele chi kala do ara 16% mo 16% chu ipiding awal ham ta hele chi number of ya la kom ji ajo 16% chi piham 40 16% 40 है total number of students से पिया करती हम ताहे total number of students so 100% ना 100% heading वाले 40 into 100% divided by 16 14 is 40 4 4 is 16 4 2 is 8, 4 5 are 20. Answer to be 25 into 10 is 250. Venn diagram at my topic Thai body which Abana next 16 a team played 40 games in a season and won in 24 of them. Mute ki bolta o do de normale say unmute ball lang after that mute ball ta a team played 40 games in a season. A team played 40 games in a season and won 24 of them. What percent of the game played did the team win? So tia hile game achami zat kichimam 40 games 24 achu azove so percentage and say natira is that azova 24 azo game is like kichimam 40 kichim is a percentage and say natira 0 0 ka 4 is 24 is 24 6 into 10 is 60%. Answer. Question number 17. If 125% of x is question number 125% of x is x order and this. I love it. X called I think I'll denominator lakharam says here. Lakhana ka numerator ramding. Numerator pakho denominator equal to lakhana transport ala. Head over here 25 is at times mc 25 4 times 100 25 5 times 2 125 5 2 is 10 5 0 0 20 into 4 is 80 the calculation 25 in 25 is at times 25 ni kun 50 is 25 tum kun 75 is 25 li 100 so na 25 nga hele 125 25 li 100 at the ml 7 na 25 nga ho 125. Question number 18 बताओ if the number of trees in a garden be x, number of trees in a big garden 60% of trees to coconut A, 25% of coconut tree are 25% of the number of coconut trees are mango. This question and piece in successive thing. Coconut tree on mango he kita am nan so masa pena so chilanga boring kata. Big garden mean it's a big garden mean it's a lot 60% of the tree is at he coconut is at he coconut he in abanacho 25% of the coconut trees are mango ahin chipi mango ahin it's a mango la 20% chipi atia mahin apple hi garden also coconut coconut sung also mango sung also apple successive thing ya it's the bang hi ti ka bowling ham ta hele answer number of trees ki hai also number of trees chipi ti ham the number of trees in the garden is at x tilta number of trees to ke po hi chala also 60% chipi ativam x la masada hote question also repeated 60% of atirati to 60% of 25% of tina to so se to chalai sunga ta bebe pa so se ke to 20% of 3 is ham is me ativa 1500 minus 1500 total x hold and atia hele 150 00 equal to langa chile khasi bong buam gam ta 100 by 20 into 100 by each numerator ko denominator amzi abana denominator ko numerator amzi equal to langa chipal 25 4 times 100 0 0 ki ka abana 0 to 0 ki ka kitta 2 2 is 4 2 3 is 6 3 5 are 15 0 0 abana noi langa 2 mrai 2 to 2 ki ka ta answer ako ipimong 500 to 100 mokta 500 to 100 100 to I can multiply at 0 half bele ke chai 100 0 ko 0 za amount 50,000 amount 50,000 net thiam am je successive tabang cha successive concepts 10% or 20% of a certain number is divided, certain amount of money is divided among XYZ. XYZ when X receive 125% more than Y and Y receive 25% less than Z. Z I ke chai here also Z na chai la du ham. Z na chai pi la du ham. 25% more, 125% more reality la du ham. That's an X PCM question as X receive 25% more than Y. X soon 25% more than Y. That's an X soon is that on mom. 125% of Y mo na X receive 25% more chulanga and khabi ko ta chira kha khol le X to 125% of Y mo iti la chang fraction chan ham X is equal to 25 is at times sakatiam 25 5 times 25 4 times 5 by 4 Y X is ham chahi 5 Y chilang ko isu dia Y is equal to okay X by Y to X by Y hung sur taya PM danam 5 by 4 hichita banga chalanga XY oma hichita banga chalanga XY oma chalanga number ki oma le amasang chama number da cha X is at ham tahi X is at ham 5 Y is at ham 4 abana question e khatse pikitam tele Y is Y receive 25% less than Z 25% less at yala cha 100 la 25 kala do di tina chala na 25% less 100 la 25% kala do de 25% less is at ham 75% then pass so tele Y receive 75% of Z tinas. Also tele 75% is 25 3 times 25 4 times. Y by Z to Z atam Y to 3 Z to 4 Y3 Z4 Y3 Z4 so tele chalanga hi X is to Y X ratio Y to Z namja hi kala ko 5 ratio 4 la chalaya hi Y ratio Z hi na Y ratio Z hi nam Y ko 3 ratio 4 ajo tele chalanga hi vela chun X to Y to Z ko holo di chana el X to Y chalaya hi Z ke tiam 5 to 4 ka ti ne ala bana chu Y to Z to Z nam 3 to 4 la Y to ki khelo chuna na Y to ki khelo ya e banga chu ipidinga khana 4 ya khana 3 ya te da chun Y to ki ba ngai cho ratio ki bang nai lo ajo tele chun achunga hin 3 amaya pa in multiply lang y chepa hin che multiply lang chepa hin che multiply la chun so ipidin am tela 4 3 is 12 4 3 is 12 ki bang ta sa na ake bola hele jatam che 5 is equal to 5 3 is 12 is equal to sorry ante tia hele 3 to multiply la 3 5 is 15 is equal to 3 4 is 12 achunga jang 12 no yang 12 y ki bang ta noi langa 4 ra multiply as 4 4 is 16 x y z real ratio so khuzat pha ta 15 12 16 omam so ratio khod dan hai 25% to 1 by 4 angkala thi kana to 1 by 4 angkala thi hello le chu question mama method in khod le han ti khod du ham base it's a question mama fraction method in khod le han ti khod de ham ata tile fraction method ang khod de bai fraction method ang khod de wale question in PCM x receive 25% more than y 25% more jpt na ham right 1 by 4 plus zo chalaya x zeu tin chalaya hin y zi le x chun y sang in 25% more de la chi y tin na chana no y tin na ta cha x 4 plus 1 khoi ja da ham 5 x 5 iding y khoi ja ham 4 hadi tin na cha ala no ya che pe ham y receive 25% less than z 25% less atyara chan 1 by 4 ma hi 25% fraction so less till minus ta cha less than z atila z to ki compare ya chun no hi z heading awana 4 minus 1 khoi pe ham 3 3 ko ham y heading y to 3 heading abana z che pe da ham no ya cho 4 y to ki banga ya cho 4 to 3 ki ba te te nga cho na 4 to 3 ki bang lo the lo le ki ba sa na ding a chi ro ding ham achunga to 3 ka multiply ding ya 4 ka multiply ding visit 4 3 is 12 abana 3 4 is 12 ki bang to ta ta bola he episode tam achunga 0 chun 3 5 a 15 4 3 is 12 4 is 16 so to na fraction a base represent until 25% get a fraction of for the average. Question number 20. 20 last question 8 is 20 question in Pitunia PCM Tahile 2% contested an election in the parliament. The winning candidate secured 57% of the total vote poll and won by a majority of 4,000 to 42,000. Question in PCM Tahile number 20. Election ahin election ahi mio se epigetiam vote hat yo se 100% gri jona na vote hat yo se chun ama hin khat pa hin khanna zoding khanna zoro de chana winner on de khana hi loser on de question in PCM the winning candidate secure 57% of the total vote poll ala vote poll to total vote is at 100 kyuta 100% hele winner to is at 57% amo edit ala loser to is at moding ham 100% lao chu zo pa chu vote la yo se la chu zo pa chu 57 amo le zat awzal walam 63% si ko ya ham loser as loser pa chu sorry not 63 43% zo de 63% la tam lo ta 43% 43% bo loser and number with upon 57% mo total 100% vote la wala cha la by cái gì majority of his an azawe de cho his number in azawe ti nei lo cho by means is an a kho khalam ti na cho by cho is an a kho khalam percentage in atya la a percentage asim denga cho 57 minus 43 7 la 3 kala do le 4 about 14% so tele chun is an azo ham winner in 14% azo 14% azo la chun 14% vote is an heti on changa hi 42,000 and azawe ti na cho 42,000 vote amoi ti na hello cho azawe ti azo tele 100% total vote sa dam 100% code masanga 14% code the ato tele wala direct 100% agum 42 ni thum divided by 14% na chunga pa chim kum so na into 100% bizam ta 100 ya le chu hi ta ka bola hi le chun search episode tam sar episode ding ham kya hai le 14 is that time some 7 6 1 is 42 7 6 is 42 khat ni thum 7 2 is 14 2 3 is 6 khat ni thum 3000 to 100 ye go wale za de ta 3 0 om za khona be de 3000 heta 0 niam be le 0 ne khat be de jar ham khat ni thum li 6 lakh na tu dunya ding hete hete lavam hera sam
Hello, 3 lakh the hello.
which on Which one? Well, I am boy just asked it.
Option B.
Option B.
D.
3. Oh, ates 6 lakh kaya kasi do ha. 3 lakh chuna. 3 lakh chuna. Acha tille